Hi, my name is Sunday. In this video, I'll be talking about the Nigerian migrants that the Como denied her access to the benefit of Asenyo Maternita, which is maternity allowance. But thanks to God, the judge had ruled in favor of the woman of the Nigerian migrant that the Como have to give her a benefit because the argument of the Como was based on discrimination. So before we dive into it, well, first, if you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell so whenever I upload any new videos or information, you will know. Now let's get into it. So it says the judge rules against city that denied benefit to Nigerian migrants. Judge had ruled against that commune that denied Nigerian migrants a benefit. It says a judge has ruled against the municipalities, which is commune, of Castelvolturno in Italy's southern region, southern Campania region, after it refused to pay a maternity grant, Asenyo de Maternita, and family benefit to a Nigerian migrant. The judge said that similar EU legislation demanded the woman to be treated equally. So thanks to the EU laws or EU legislation that demanded that everyone be treated equally, both the citizens and also foreigners as well. So the municipality, which is the commune of Castelvolturno near the southern city of Caserta, had argued, this was the argument, had argued that the Nigerian mother of five did not qualify for the benefits. That she did not qualify for the benefit as she did not hold a stay permit for long-term residence. That is EU long-term permit, which is Carta Sojourner. So that was the argument, that she was not having Carta Sojourner. So that was the argument. And on ground that she did not apply for aid with the appropriate departments using the correct procedure. And also they said she did not use the correct procedure in applying for the benefit. But the woman had, however, correctly filed a request to receive the benefit. She filed a request. She applied in the right direction to receive the benefit within the required 6 months. Because if you give birth, I've talked about the Asenyo Maternita, it takes 6 months. Within 6 months period, you got to quickly apply for the woman, abide by it. She applied within the 6 months. So it says in the period after she gave birth to triplets, she even gave birth to triplets. So maybe it was the money that they were looking at, because if you gave birth to triplets, they need to pay ×3 as well. So that is the reason why they denied her. But the judge ruled that their arguments were baseless. The argument were discriminatory. So that is what the judge ruled, because according to EU legislation or EU law, everyone needs to be treated equally. So the judge in the labor court in Santa Maria Capua decided in her favor. So the judge decided in her favor, saying that the practice could be deemed discriminatory. The practice, if they follow on that course, it is going to be discriminatory, and ruling that the wordings of the Italian law create a disparity between Italian and foreign citizens. That is Italian law between Italians and foreign residents. Why similar EU legislation grants benefit, Italian law creates discrimination, or it separates the both sides. So what EU legislation, EU law brings the both sides together. So that's what the judge ruled. The judge had to use the EU law to rule the case. What EU legislation grants benefit to citizens and foreign residents alike. To citizens and foreign residents alike. Judge Rosa Capasso cited an Article 12 of Directive 98 from 2011, which states that foreign workers enjoys the same benefit as citizens of the member state in which they are living in the social security sector. So the judge had to use the law, the Article 12 of the Directive 98 of the 2011 decree, saying that according to that law, which states that foreign workers enjoy the same benefit as citizens of the member state in which they are living in the social security sector. So that was what the judge ruled, that in benefit of that woman, she needs to have that benefit. So after the conclusion of the ruling, the judge then ordered the Social Security and Pension Agents, which is IMSS, the judge ordered them to pay her the benefit and to immediately cease its discriminatory conduct. To pay her, not just paying her, to cease from that thing that they are doing, discriminating people that they don't have EU long-term permit or they don't have Qatar sojourner without that, so they cannot benefit, so they should cease from it. So that is what the judge has said, that they should pay her immediately and also cease from discriminatory acts. Then he says it was also highlighted in court that the Nigerian national had a legal job contract. She was also working and paying tax, a legal job contract, and had worked as a farm worker and domestic helper in addition to holding a valid state permit for the time being while paying all her taxes. She had been paying tax while paying all her taxes in a low-income job, thus meeting all the qualifications required by law to request maternity benefits. Meaning she has met all the requirements, everything required by law to access this maternity benefits, as senior maternity benefit, and aid for household with at least 3 under-8 children. So anyone also having 3 under-8 children, the benefit that also follows, meaning this woman can still benefit from it, but they just wanted to stop her from getting it. So this is the way they have been stopping other people, because they are foreigners, and majority, we don't know our rights and we don't know our law, we don't know what is written in the directives or in the legislation at all. So that is how they do it. But when we try to know about it, or when we try to do research about it, or we find other lawyers that know about it, that we stand on our way, then these things are granted to us. So in this course of this video, thank God for that woman. At the end of it all, the benefit was given to her. And also it goes to other communes and other places. The same thing they are still doing to other people. In some communes, people can get with just 1 year sojourner, with 2 years sojourner, but in other communes, they don't allow. They always require EU long-term permit, or which is Qatar sojourner. So to those ones that are passing through different kind of discriminatory acts, either in your commune in one place or the other, I've heard about some women of which their children be taken away from them. I've heard about some family of which their children are also about to be taken away from them. Sometimes they will meet all those private lawyers. Before you know it, those private lawyers will have nothing to do. There are some of them that have had an accident. At the end of it all, they will do it left and right, because they are the same. At the end of it all, nothing good will be given to those people that have injured in that accident, because they are foreigners, because they do not know their rights. Now, to those people, there's an association that you can call. There's an association that you can cry to, of which this association can help you out from any kind of discriminatory acts that they are rendering to you, or your heart there, they're about to take your child from you, or your heart there, they have taken your child already. This association can help you. Or your heart there, there's one discriminating heart against you or the other, racial discrimination, different kind of discrimination. There's an association you can reach out to. They will bear your body, and they also help you out in any kind of situation that you are in. It is called ASGI, Association for Juridical Studies on Immigration. So this association, they are helping people out in different kind of things. So you are passing through one discriminatory act or the other, they are ready to help you. The Association for Juridical Studies on Immigration, ASGI, is a membership-based association focusing on all legal aspects of immigration. All legal aspects, not on illegal aspects. On legal aspect, or the legal aspect of it. As a pool of lawyers, academicians, they have pool of lawyers and academicians, consultants and civil society representatives. ASGI expertise relates to various areas of immigration and migrant rights. Migrant rights is what they always stand for or fight for. Migrant rights, including but not limited to anti-discrimination and xenophobia, children's and unaccompanied minors' rights, their right, the right of children to belong to their family, the right of children to stay with their mother or their father. But some Italians are taking away people's children, foreigners' children. I've heard about men that are taking away foreigners' children, all because they have nothing to do all because they cannot fight for themselves. It's like a land whereby there's no human rights. There's nobody you can cry to. But to this association, you can cry to them, you can meet them. Probably they will help you out. So they fight for the rights of people. It says asylum and refugee seekers as well. Then statelessness and citizenship. So anyone that falls into this category, if you are passing through one stress or the other, one discriminatory heart or the other, maybe your child is about to be taken away from you, or they are taking away your child away from you already, or you are passing through one stress or the other, you have gotten an accident and at the end your lawyer is playing acting packing on you because they have settled him in one case or the other, you can still cry out to these people. Probably they will try to also help you out as well. So the association promotes a legal support service against ethnic, racial, and religious discrimination in Italy. Articulated in center coordinated base in Milan. They are based in Milan. Their center or their headquarters is based in Milan. Various territorial anti-discrimination antennas, that's their offices, based in Milan, Torino, Florence, which is Firenze, then Rome, Napoli, Verona. Other antennas are being formed. They are also forming other antennas or other offices in different cities, in different regions, and a network of professionals on the national territory. A network of professionals on the national territory involved in litigation, in law case, in bringing out the cases in litigation, in law, fighting or helping you to fight against discrimination, then training and monitoring on discrimination. They also train and also monitors on discrimination. They have been the one that took the case concerning asylum seekers registering in common to have carta identità. They were the one that took it to court, and at the end they won. So right now, because of them, asylum seekers can now register back in common, even with 6 months sojourner. So this group as well, you can reach out to them if you are being discriminated against, if you are passing through one discriminatory heart or the other, or they are about to take away your child, as I've said earlier, because many people are passing through that stress, or they are doing one thing or the other to you, of which you cannot cry to anyone. I believe you can cry to this group. This is their contact, coordination of the anti-discrimination service. This is their number, +39 351 554 2008. I repeat, +39 351 554 2008. So you can reach out to them as well. This is their email address as well. You can copy their email address, send them an email, and if you are passing through any act of discrimination, so you can reach out to them. They can help you. If you're a private lawyer, any of the Italian lawyers, they are not helping you out properly, so you can reach out to them. Probably they might help you to solve that case as well. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, comment, and also make sure you share it to others as well. If you know anyone that is passing through any act of discrimination, maybe their child will be taken away from them, this is a good information. You can send it to them. Probably through this video or through this association, they can, or by His grace, be able to retain or get their children back as well. So as I said, thank you for watching. If you know you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell, so that whenever I upload any new videos or information, you will know. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.